Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah seger mas. Sekarang saling memberi minuman satu sama lain. Satu, dua, tiga. Aduh, ayam tentrem selawas-lawase. Sekarang dicis, ditos menghadap kamera. Agak diangkat mas menghadap kamera sambil senyum pepsodenting. Mas Surya di mana buandeng lek senyum ketok gigine. Monggo tunjuk piambak-piambak. Alhamdulillah, mugi-mugi adem main tentrem selawas-selawase pinangan dan saribin. Oke, sampun. Yang bawa salah satu leca bagus. Sigro kala jenengan kena dicoro mampak pisan. Monggo pisang saking Bagur Nganjuk. Layak-layak menopen jamu mandang ono ing wicara. Manggut manut terkuku ono ing wit duku. Menapa jamu mandang ono ing wit ketapang. Pratondo kadang pisan saking laladan Bagur Nganjuk sampun rawuh. Sugeng rawuh kadang pisan marhaban ahlan wa sahlan bi hudurikum. Saling ngajawat asto bapak kalian bapak, ibu kalian ibu. Bebasan nemongake bebalungi kang pisah. Bebalungi Mas Eka Purwaning sedalah bebalungi Raden Bagus Surya Mahmudin Kusman. Mugi-mugi dados bebalungi kang manunggal rasa cipta karsa miwah karyanipun. Monggo-monggo kadang pisan pinarak wonten pawanggan kang sampun pinanci kanthi mardikaning penggalih. Paringa Putiasto dumateng pinanganten saripin. Mugi-mugi jumbuh ingkang sari ginayuh widodo ingkang sari sinedya sari kaesti. Monggo-monggo kadang pisan pinarak kadang pisan sigro kalian jenengan dicara sungkeman metawen pangabekten. Amit sungkemin pinanganten sarimbit dumateng Rama dalahipun ingkang sampun kula wentah awit timur ngantos dewasa. Sumpan santun anak prawan jengi sungkem dumateng Rama dalahipun boten parangas kogaman keresak warangkanipun dipun lolos slop atawin camelo atawin sendal ugi dipun lolos nyuwun berkahing Ibu Bumi Pertiwi. Rineber repeh lumampahipun pinanganten saripit arsa sungkem dumateng Rama dalahipun kang raras lenggah. Pakdi jenengan minangka gajune bapakku sewu lepat nyodong dumangke Pakdi kula dereng saged mulyani bapakku yondo Eka ponakanku. Awakmu saiki wis dadi tanggung jawab Nak Surya. Ngabekti karo garwamu yondo yo aku minangka gajule bapakmu yondo yo. Kasinggihan Pak Din. Oke sampun Mbak Ika bisa dipeluk Pak Din. Ditahan dulu difoto oleh Estu Fotografi. Oke sampun. Mas Surya sungkem dumateng Pak D lewat depan pengantin putri. Mbak Ika sungkem dumateng Bunda lewat belakang pengantin kakung. Ibu kula Ika Bu Putri panjenengan sewu lepat nyadong donga Ibu. Kula dereng saged bales toya susu Ibu. Yondo Eka anak wedok sing tak sayang dongane Ibu. Muga-muga rumah tanggamu adem ayem tentrem yondo yo. Amin kasinggihan Ibu. Oke, bisa dipeluk mamahnya Mbak Eka. Bisa dipeluk Mas, ditahan dulu. Ganti pelukan sebelahnya. Bisa dikecup keningnya Bapak Ibu putra putrinya. Oke, sampun. Anglaras padha rambekane ndi wong tuwa endi marang tuwa. Pinanganten saribit sungkem dumateng sesule saking panjenenganipun Bapak Tommy Sutomo dalah Ibu Kusniati. Digandeng Mas garwane Mas. Bineber lumampahipun pinanganten sarimbit arsa sungkem dumateng Rama dalah ibu Hangraras lenggah Budhe jenengan minangka kajula ibuku sewu lepetnya donga nggih Budhe ya le aku minangka kajula ibumu tak dongane rumah tanggamu barokah nggih munggule pangupa jiwa ya le ya amin amin kasinggihan Budhe. Oke Mas Surya bisa disayang dipeluk budenya. Oke sekarang gantos Mas Surya sungkem dumateng ayah Pak D lewat depan pengantin putri, Mbak Ika sungkem dumateng Budi lewat belakang pengantin tamu. Pak D jenengan minangka kajule ayahku sewu lepet kedung donga nggih Pak D kula dereng saged mulyani ayahku Pak D ya le Pak D pesen ya le dadi wong lanang sing tanggung jawab wong lanang sing iso ngayani anak bojomu ya le yo amin amin kasinggihan Pak D. Sampun Mas Surya bisa disayang dipeluk ayahnya. Mbaknya juga begitu, ditahan dulu, ganti pelukan sebelahnya. Oke, bisa dikecup keningnya. Bungane wong tuwa pindho teken. Jejeke urip bebrayan wonten ngalam padang menika. Bungane wong tuwa pindho dedamar. Padange urip bebrayan wonten ngalam padang menika. Kaya dene hadis Kanjeng Nabi Muhammad ridhullah fi ridho walidain wa sukhtullah fi sukhtul walidain. Ridhone Gusti Allah gumantung ridhone wong tuwa loro, bendune Gusti Allah gumantung bendune wong tuwa loro. Mugi-mugi pinanganten sarimbit ingkang nembe wisuda keluarganipun dadosaken keluarga ingkang manggi kabegjan, keluarga ingkang manggi kamulyan, keluarga ingkang sakinah mawaddah warahmah lan barokah. Kanthi panjurung pamuji donga barakallahu laka wa baraka alaika wa jama'a bainakum ma fi khair. Sugeng rawuh dumateng sedaya para bapak ibu penderek saking Bagur Nganjuk, monggo pinarak wonten palenggan sampun pinanci nggih kanthi merdu mardikaning penggalih, monggo pasugatan unjuk ingkang wonten ngarsa panjenengan monggo dipun nikmati kanthi syukur naning penggalih nggih, monggo. Setiap keindahan perhiasan dunia hanya istri salehah, perhiasan terindah.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to
me hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.